stadium and everything. So we are happy that we'll do our best in next tournament, and we are ready for next tournament. So that's the thing.
Perfect. So I think that leaves us with the larger announcement. I think just before I make the announcement, as a part of this content partnership, the kind of stuff that Loco and Fnatic will be doing together in this country, I think the most important thing that I would like to tell the fans is that we obviously look at India as a very crucial market. We want to be the most celebrated and the most entertaining esports team in the country. At the end of the day, we are a lifestyle brand. We are building all our pillars one after the other. हमको apparel भी लेके आना है, हमको content भी बनाना है, हमको tournaments भी जीतना है, and we also want to do a lot of events for our fans. So before I kind of make the big announcement right now, maybe this is a first look of what this program would look like. Uh, if you can just put up the poster on the screen for everyone to have a look. Uh, Basically, we're taking influence from what we've done globally as a program. We are officially launching Fnatic Rising, which is a part of a 7.5 or 8 month program where we will scan the entire country. We will go through the entire nooks and corners of this country to identify the best PUBG players. Kids between the age of 18 to 23 will be able to apply. The idea would be we will have multiple phases, after which the top 10 guys who are selected will be flown down to Bombay. They will be part of the Fnatic and Loco studio. They will not only be trained to look after their PUBG skills, but they will also be trained on content. They will also be trained to be professional streamers. They will be given support for social media to build up their fan base. The idea is अभी हमारे पास स्काउट तो ऑलरेडी है. इंडिया का दूसरा ओएस और दूसरा स्काउट या दूसरा जॉनथन कहाँ से आएगा? It is also going to be a Loco original series. This will be a web series that will also go on Loco. So Fnatic Rising is officially launched. The idea would be, as I said, from the 25th of June, we will go live for registrations. People, all fans who are between the age of 18 to 23 would be able to apply as a team. As soon as all the phases are done, as I said, the top 10 players out of their entire 7.5 month program will be selected to actually flown down to Mumbai to be a part of the Fnatic studio along with Loco. And we will definitely identify the next potential OAs and scout, and they will get an official Fnatic contract for 2021. And the rest of the players will continue to be with Loco as streamers. So I'm very, very happy that this program was launched along with Loco. So it not only is a online tournament, but this is also going to be a content piece. We're going to create a 7 episode or an 8 episode series on this, which will go live. The journey of the next PUBG player in this country can come from anywhere. जैसे अनिरुद्ध ने बोला था कि आप इंडिया के कौन से भी कोने में बैठ के अगर पबजी खेलते हो और 18 साल और 23 साल के भीतर हो, तो आप इस प्रोग्राम के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो. एंड पोटेंशियली आपको एक प्रो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलेगा अगर आप टॉप 10 में आते हो और सबसे बेस्ट उन टॉप 10 में हो गए. So that's the big announcement that we had to make today. Fnatic Rising, it's launched officially. Now the floor is open to media to ask any questions. If you guys have any questions towards Sam, Anirudh, me, Oasis, or Firasat, please feel free to ask the questions. I think we already have the first question. The first question is for Anirudh. How platforms like Loco help gamers grow their career in esports, and how is it different from YouTube or Twitch? This question is specifically for Anirudh.
Yeah, I think it's a very relevant question. I think, when you grow out any talent,